As we are selling on Amazon, we must be obsessed about providing more value than our competitors. Because if that's our mindset, if that's our approach in always providing more value, then it's only a matter of time that we actually dominate the niche. So ask yourself that, do you want to be the best offer on the marketplace? Do you want to provide more value than your competitors? So do you want to dominate the niche and dominate all competitors? So if you answer yes to these questions, then the perfect product blueprint is exactly what you need. So hit a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to get all 8 parts of this video series on how to launch the perfect product on Amazon.
Hi there. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever been thinking, is there some sort of tool, system, procedure where I can figure out how to crush my competition on Amazon? Have you ever been thinking why my product is not selling so well as it's supposed to sell? Have you ever been thinking why my competitors are doing better than me? You know, how can you expect better results, right? So we need to have a system and procedure which will create us this amazing competitive advantage which allow us to crush our competitors. And that is what I call perfect product blueprint. This is one of the most fundamental exercises that you need to do when you're selling on Amazon. So what is perfect product blueprint? It's the research we are using to collect information about the product we want to sell. And simply to put, we will read our competitors' reviews. And this is very important because we will start gathering information from the customer reviews because, you know, we want to define, do we succeed or not, and how to succeed. You know, how do we understand market and the product? And because there's no point to expect better results, and people they have more reviews than you have, right? So you already have this advantage if you release same crap that they are selling, right? So we need to create our competitive advantage on the market, which will crush our competitors instantly. And this research will give us a lot of valuable information, such as quality, usability, and safety issues, and all the things we need to avoid when sourcing our product, evaluating samples, or creating listing and the content. Let me give you an example here. If everybody are complaining about this quality issue, and you will speak, and you will know that, you will read that from reviews, and you will eliminate this quality issue from your product and put it on a headline. This problem resolved, or problem resolved, new version, blah, blah, blah. What do you think? Would people come buy your product or this old product that had that quality issue? Which one they choose? All right? And so, by understanding your customers, understanding what they are saying, understanding who is the customer, why they buy, for who they buy, what they like, what they don't like, what they hate, what are the problems, then this leads to, you know, for example, higher confidence. You know your product, you know your market, you know what people hate, what they don't like, what they like. And now you have a clarity. Like what kind of listing you want to do? How do you want to sell that product? How do you want to market that product? You know what drives that customer, right? And you will actually save a ton of money and time and get amazing results if you do this research. You know, this action plan that you will create from that research will give you so much power because now you have a clarity, confidence, and now you know what you need to do for the product and how you sell that product and why people should buy your product instead of competitors. At the end of the day, you need to answer this question. Why should I buy your product than competitors' products? And you need to answer this question to me in less than 15 seconds. And this blueprint, this research will give you that. And if you think that it's a good idea, then the blueprint will also tell you that, hey man, stop selling this crap. It will give you clarity, power, it save you money and save you time. You want to start doing blueprint already when you have an idea about the product you want to sell. You haven't spent any money. So this is number one task you want to do after you have researched your profitability. So profitability and numbers come first, and then you have an idea of the product, and then this is the first thing you do. You fill this product blueprint, answer these questions that are on this document, and you will have a clarity if you want to proceed with this product or not. And the second time where you can do that is when you already have selling product on Amazon, but you've never done that before. Then do that and recreate your listing. Because with this system, you will create yourself competitive advantage. Now you will find product blueprint template link under this video. You will also find 4 small videos under this video which explain you how to fill out that document step by step. Now, copy this template to your own Google Drive and fill it out. Spend some time on competitors' listings, reading their questions, reviews, and you will have full clarity. It's a pile of gold. You will feel better, you will do better, you will save money, you will save time, and you will create your listing competitive advantage. Happy doing!
Hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to get all 8 parts of this video series on how to launch the perfect product on Amazon. So in these videos, we cover our perfect product blueprint that we have been fine-tuning since 2014. So let us know any feedback or questions that you might have, but then just head out to the next video. We also have a secret group where we discuss pretty much everything related to Amazon. So if you want to get access to this group, then just comment group and my team will be reaching out to you and adding you to the group, welcoming you to the discussion. So see you there. See you on the group.